Welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add your Amazon wishlist on your OnlyFans account. Now let's begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply focus on the left hand side of the screen. Right here, just below Add Cart, you can see the My Profile button. Click on it right now, and once you've done that, you will be redirected to this section. Now from here, simply click on this Edit Profile button right here. It's right next to the Share button. Click on it. Now guys, this is it. This is the Edit Profile section. Simply scroll down, and do note that you can add your website URL from right here. But in our context, we want to add our Amazon wishlist. And guys, this is it. This is my Amazon wishlist. Now what I'm gonna do is simply copy the link and paste it on OnlyFans. As you guys can see, I have added my wish list. Now all I'm gonna do is click on save. At the top right, you can see the blue button called as save. Click on it right now, and that's how you add your Amazon wish list in OnlyFans. The process quite easy. If you guys found this video informative, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. We'll be uploading more videos like this pretty soon. So until next time, thank you.